Hey everybody, Art Jeremiah here. Hope you're all doing great today. The holidays are coming up, so I'm way busy building a whole bunch of terrain, which is great for me, great for the people who's receiving it. But it means I'm a little slow at being able to produce some videos for specifically for terrain building. So today I'm going to try out reviewing a product. It's going to be the Terrain Crate Dungeon Debris. It's very awesome product, I think, and you'll want to see the video to see all the awesome stuff that comes with this box. It's cool. But also, I have been working on a video. I have it recorded. Hopefully next week I'll have it out. I'm excited to show you guys how I built this awesome dungeon room. This is going to be the first room in the set that I'm building. I'll talk more about that later though. So for now, let's get into reviewing this Terrain Crate Dungeon Debris. So I was really excited when I got the package from Amazon for Terrain Crate. It was really hard for me not to open it, but I wanted to make sure everybody saw me open it and see what comes inside of it. There's 24 pieces all together. You can see on the back that gives you an idea of what's there. So yeah, pretty nice box. It was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And didn't come out of the box very easily. I remember that. I was like, man, but once I opened the other end, it worked good. I was surprised to see that it was not on sprues. For some reason, I thought it was going to be on sprues. It's awesome that it's not. That makes it easy for me. So yeah, I was just excited to cut open the packaging and get to look at all the little pieces. As you can see, there's quite a bit of little pieces. Lots of wood and barrels and all sorts of stuff like that. So I'm just going to take you through this box and show you each of the little things that's in this. It came with this little bag. It has a bunch of little tiny pieces and 2 crates. And there's a couple things of barrels. One of the barrels is open. I figured that might be good for pouring a little bit of resin or something, give it something in there, or have gold in there or grain or something. Fill it with something. And some logs, those will come in handy for all sorts of stuff. Maybe even some forest terrain. Little rubble piles. There's pretty much 2 of everything in here, which is nice. Little bricks and pieces of wood. It's going to work great with some caved in rooms, I think. Or to add to some ruins, even for like model terrain for Warhammer or something. Then there's these crates. Big pile of crates. These are pretty cool, I think. Just a big pile of wood. And just little, I couldn't tell exactly what it is, ruined wood sections of stuff. Like the top to a treasure chest, another crate, and a barrel. More flavor to dungeons, basically. That's why I got this box, because I'm building this big dungeon and I want to review it as well. So another rubble pile, lots of bricks and stuff. And we got 2 crates. I might make a mimic out of one of those. Go good in the dungeon. And we got the little tiny pieces. I wasn't expecting them to be so small. We got one little rat. It's itty bitty. I don't know if you can see it. Little tiny. One little tiny rat. I guess you can just add it to the other terrain pieces or put it on your own terrain, or even make rat swarm bases with these. I think that would be a good idea. There's 2 of each. There's like 3 rats in a little tiny swarm. Not really a swarm, it's like 3 rats and then a single rat. There's 2 of each of those. And then skulls. Skulls are always handy. Maybe I'll put one of those skulls in that open barrel with a little puddle of acid or something. That'd be cool. Yeah, up close on those skulls. I don't know if they're different. They might just be 4 skulls, same skull. More up close on these rats. Put them in the palm of my hand so you can actually see them better. I guess there's 3 of those smaller rats. Really, you could make a rat swarm base with these. That's what I'm probably going to do. So yeah, I think I'm going to paint this piece. Get it all ready. Clean it up. Prep it for painting. Then I'm going to spray it black with my Sugar Coat spray paint. This is low odor spray paint, and you can even use this spray paint directly on styrofoam. Even if you spray big amounts up close, right on styrofoam. There's an affiliate link below for styrofoam safe spray paints. Well, several affiliate links. And it's from a trusted source that I've been using for years now. That's BLICK art materials, so check that out. Here, I'll even show you. We'll spray it on this piece of terrain that I'm building. And as you can see, no melting, nice and thick coat, no melting. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, then I just wanted to get into painting this video. I kind of lost the first part of the video. I don't know, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I just painted the whole thing brown first after spray painting the black. And now I'm overbrushing a coat of beige. And that's like my typical wood palette. Just plain wood palette for kind of an older looking wood that's not too decayed. And I just overbrush that onto all the crates. Then I take some cream color and I dry brush that on. Sometimes I use a wash if I want to dull down the paint some. Then I noticed there was papers on top of these crates. I wanted to make sure to add that little detail. I'm not going to put writing or anything on it right now. I just want them to be blank pieces of paper maybe. One of those papers, the mold line wasn't that good, so I kind of had to do some touching up with paint to make it look right. So that was the only complaint I had with painting it. And I go over it with a light brown wash. Well, it's not a light brown. It's a brown wash that I put on lightly. And I do it kind of controlled so I get just the cracks. Tone down the whole piece some. It turned out pretty good. Next to these miniatures, it looks pretty decent. So yeah, tell me what you think of this terrain crate dungeon debris set and how it's painted up. It's a pretty easy paint job. Definitely worth the money, I would say. Like I said, I got it for $20-something. So yeah, tell me what you guys think of this set. It's pretty awesome. I got a link to it in the description below. That is an affiliate link. I did this dumb thing and I signed up for Amazon affiliate program and I didn't read the fine print. And turns out that you only have, what is it? 180 days to sell some stuff, and I haven't really been pushing that. It's not too important to me, obviously, but I have been posting some Amazon links and I don't want to really go back and delete all those. So yeah, if you could show me some love, I gotta sell 3 items by the time January comes. I think somewhere in January. That is, right now I'll have a link, an Amazon affiliate link to this. This is an awesome set, so go ahead and pick that up. And that'll just show me a little bit of support, and I'll be able to review more items like this and keep upgrading the video stuff. I'm pretty I am pretty loaded with work right now, building just pretty much the same terrain over and over and over again. So I'd like to do that less and less. Maybe end up selling just better terrain rather than basic things like modular hills, which are way popular, makes sense because it makes your game so much better when you have that kind of simple terrain. But it's also a bit overwhelming during the seasons, so I've been having to up my prices just a little bit on those just to slow down the horde of orders I'm getting. But it's good. Busy, and I'm still gonna make sure I do all this YouTube video stuff. This is my hobby now, so this is how I get my hobby in. And I love these little pieces. Just tell me what you think below, what you think of this set. If you have it, let me know what you think of it. If you want it, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what I could use it for. I'm planning on using these for this dungeon that I'm building. So yeah, let's get into that a little bit more. So this first video that I'm going to be doing, it's just going to be this dungeon room. Not the whole thing's a dungeon. And some of this was inspired, like these pools were done the way Black Magic Craft does his pools. And I'm going to do some not epoxy, what do you call it? Oh man, I can't even think of what it's called. Resin, there we go. Clear resin pools in these sets. In these pools, I mean, this set thing. It's on my mind. But I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm hoping to put some little fish in there. I want some cave fish in my dungeon. And I see some videos of that sort of thing that's not terrain related. It's more art based, and I'm excited to try that. So yeah, if you don't want to miss those videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon below to get notified. And also don't forget to like this video. That's important. We need it for the YouTube algorithm. I want a lot of people to benefit from the review and get inspired by this sort of thing.